Okay, so if you've got a one-for-all universal remote and you've tried the codes and they're not working, here is something else you can try. It's called learning mode, right? So you need the remote you're going to learn from. Now, if you haven't got that, check out my other videos, which I'll link to down below, that could help you as well. But assuming you've got the remote, what we need to do is press your magic or setup button as you would to program it, and then type in 975, and we want to put the remotes like 2 to 3 centimeters apart, it says. So I'm going to press magic, then a code like I would for a TV, 975, and then let's just try press a quick blast on here and on there. So that should have programmed in the OK mode. So let's try the back button on here. Quick blast. Now that's gone off. That doesn't look good, but let's press the OK button. Okay, because if you hold it longer, it says, and that doesn't work, then try the short blasts. If you hold it short and it doesn't work, try longer blasts. So what have we got? Info down here. Let's try info on this. So we press the one we want to record, and then we press it on here. Now, this doesn't look like it's worked to me, but let's try it anyway. Let's have a go. Okay, somehow the power seems to have come on. As you can see, this is a ViewSonic. There was only one code for this TV and that didn't work. So it's very frustrating, even with the right guide for this exact model. Okay, and handily the TV's come straight on. So I programmed in the OK button. Now I might still be in magic mode. So maybe I'll long press this, or learning mode, long press to leave. Okay. And let's see, none of those buttons seem to have worked. Unbelievable. Okay, so that hasn't worked.